Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video about my hair regimen since people have been asking me so much, and basically I get tired to write over the same thing, to type over the same thing and tell people the same thing, and people always stop me and ask me about my hair and message me on Facebook, Instagram, all over, and asking me what I use in my hair, how I get my hair to look like that. So I'm just going to tell you what I do to my hair from start to finish. I stopped getting relaxers March the 1st was my last relaxer, I think. March the 1st, 2013. And I big chopped in July the 7th or something like that, 2013. Big chopped again February 2015, and again sometime 2 weeks ago. So later on, like probably in the next video or something, I'll tell you guys why I did big chop number 2 and 3. But for now, I'll just say it's because I wanted to, and I enjoy the short hair. I enjoy getting different colors. I use any shampoo, basically. Anyone, if I really need to get my hair shampoo, if I really need to shampoo my hair. But otherwise, if my hair just needs to be refreshed, I just co-wash with any Tresemme conditioner. So for conditioners, I use Tresemme conditioner. For deep conditioners, I add this Jerry Redding natural, 100% natural protein. I use it whenever my hair feels brittle and dry, or whenever I feel it's time for a protein treatment every 6 weeks or 2 months. How I use this is I mix it with this till I get the right consistency, and I either put olive oil or jojoba oil, any oil I feel like, or any oil I have at the moment. I just put that in it. Not sure why, but yeah, that just helps with moisture and stuff. For this, I use this. This is a light protein. It also helps in moisture retention. Both of them, I leave them in for an hour or a little bit over an hour, depends on what I'm doing or how much time I have. And if I'm lazy and I'm not deep conditioning, I just use the Tresemme and rub it up, walk up and down, whatever, or in the shower, bathe, do what I have to do, and then I wash it out. But don't practice that, it will let your hair fall out. It needs moisture, proper moisture and protein balance. So be sure to do moisture treatments every week and protein treatments every 6 weeks, or whenever your hair feels dry and brittle. So after I rinse out my conditioner, I add this. I've been using this since I became natural. But they say it's filled with silicones and whatever that's not good for your hair. But I keep going back to this because this is what I love. And you can use it to do twist outs and braid outs and whatever. So after this, I seal it in with raw shea butter. And it smells awful, but over 2 years, I've gotten used to the smell. You can get this at Earth Elements in Savannah Plaza, Canton Spring Road, and you can get this basically anywhere. Any hair store, I think, sell it, but I bought mine in Discount Beauty Supplies. This also, I've been out for the longest while because it's expensive, and since I cut my hair, I haven't been really focusing on health because I probably cut it off again, who knows. I don't think I'm going to cut it off again, but who knows. Yeah, so this is a moisturizer. It can be used for twist out, it can be used as a leave-in. Is what I use to the everything. This is my second jar, this size, since the year start. I don't know how I use it so much, but since I got this new haircut, I only use it once a week. When after I wash my hair, first I use the Cantu shea butter leave-in, then the raw shea butter, and then this. I just break it through it and do like this to get the curls to hold. Yeah, so that's basically it. And for oils, I love olive oil. I don't like castor oil like some naturals. I've never really used coconut oil. I only used it twice in the beginning of my journey, like year before last. I don't know what it did for my hair. I don't know. Maybe I need to try it again. But I really like olive oil. I use that all the time. But now I'm out. I add that to my conditioners. I basically use it to the everything. The first haircut, the first tapered cut I did it myself, by the way. I did both haircuts myself. People always ask me where I got my haircut, who cut it for me, who helped me cut it. Nobody helped me, and I cut them both myself at home, in my room, using scissors only, no shears, because I don't know. I've never used shears before, and I don't want to make any mistakes. I use this brand, Adore, in magenta, and that was the red color I had in first for anybody who saw me. And if you didn't see me, I'll try to post pictures, no promises. Yeah, so I use this one, Violet Gem, and Purple Rage in this brand. You can get it at Discount, Cherries, wherever. This channel with my friend Dana, so I won't be the only one on this channel, and I think, well, for now, I'm the only one talking about hair and focusing on hair. She's just, yeah, she's not really in the hair thing. But soon, whenever she starts taking care of her hair, she will post videos or make videos with me about hair. But if you stuck around, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And share this video with whomever you want, with whomever wants to know. And I'll try to do tutorials. I don't know how I'm going to do tutorials because I don't know. But I'll try to do tutorials for you guys. But yeah, so if you want to know how I did this wash and go, you can let me know and I'll make a video for you. Hopefully. So I know this video is long, but I do a lot of stuff to my hair. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.